Good morning all. I'm choosing the topic Shah Jahan and his contributions art and architecture. Introduction. Shah Jahan, the fifth Mughal emperor of India, is best known for his extraordinary contribution to art and architecture. This region is often called the golden age of Mughal architecture due to the grand structure built under his patronage. Here are some of his most significant contributions.
Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal in Agra is his most famous architectural achievements. Built as a mausoleum for his wife Mumtaz Mahal, combines Persian, Turkish, Indian and Islamic architectural styles. Made of white marbles with intricate carvings, inlays and a symmetrical layout. Red Fort. Red Fort, built in Delhi as the main residence of Mughal emperors. Constructed using red sandstone with intricate marbles inlays. Houses the Diwan-i-Am Hall of Public Audience and the Diwan-i Hall of Private Audience. Jama Masjid. Jama Masjid 1650-1656. One of the largest mosques in India, located in Delhi, made of red sandstone and white marbles. Features 3 tombs and 4 minarets with calligraphic inscriptions. Shalimar Garden. Shalimar Garden, Lahore. A magnificent Persian style garden built in Lahore, now in Pakistan. Features terrace, flower watering channels and fountains. Represented Mughal masteries in garden designs. Modi Masjid. Modi Masjid 1648-1654. Located inside the Agra Fort. A small yet elegant white marble mosque built for the royal court symbols purity and the simplicity. Peacock Throne. Peacock Throne, a grand jewelled throne made for the Mughal court, embellished with diamonds, rubies, emeralds and the most famous Kohinoor diamond. Later taken to Persia by Nadir Shah. Development of urban planning. Shah Jahan expanded cities like Agra, Delhi and Lahore. Introduced wide road, symmetrical gardens and public buildings. Encourages the use of marbles, calligraphy and Petra Trudar. Stone inlays work in construction. Shah Jahan architectural legacy continues to be admired worldwide, reflecting the peak of Mughal artistic excellence. Conclusion. Shah Jahan region is called as the golden age of Mughal architecture. He built iconic monuments like Taj Mahal, Red Fort and Jama Masjid. His architectural style blended Persian, Islamic and Indian influence, focus on symmetry, white marbles, intricate carvings and inlay works, patronizing painting, calligraphy and decorative arts. His construction remains UNESCO World Heritage Site and major tourist attraction. Shah Jahan legacy continues to inspire art, architectural and cultural heritage worldwide.